let's do something more, more, and more important. How to build a drone, how to make drone simulation on Autodesk stick account using Arduino programming language. This is not difficult at all. Uh, we will not have time to build all these projects here, but what you may know is that I will release the circuit on the description of the video, and I will also give you the code so that you can use at home. So what I strongly recommend you is to build this project. Uh, uh, is to do it yourself at all. Learn what is going on. To troubleshoot problem and to see um what's the best thing if you can modify, if you can add, you can remove, or you can enhance this project so that it can be very more important. So I think this is all for this part of tutorial related to Autodesk AutoCAD, uh, Arduino simulation, and Arduino programming. Uh, Now we're going to use now the real hardware to build step by step the whole project that I've shown you since now. So let's go for the another step, a new tutorial, a new video to explain you real deeper uh, what is Arduino, what is NLT, how to build real project using the real hardware. So let's go for the next step.